Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find the V11 filter in TikTok. So how you can apply V11 filter in TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To apply V11 filter you just have to swipe right on the screen, and as you can see I got V11 filter. Swipe right again and V10. Swipe right again, V9, likewise. And if you're trying this and if it's not working for you, that's because you didn't activate it yet. So to do this, just go to filters and here go to vibe, and in vibe as you can see it's V7, and to get V8 to V11 you have to go to manage. In manage you have to go to vibe and you have to select this and deselect this, select this and deselect this, select this and deselect this, and likewise. Now go back to your screen and you will see all the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this V11 filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.